Alright, hey guys, it's Malachi from The Builder Guys, and today we're gonna go get the mail. Samantha, let's go get the mail.
Let's go get the mail.
Let's go get the mail. So, we're gonna get the mail. It's gonna be pretty good. Well, at least, I think it's the mail. Wiggums.
No.
I hold this. Film this.
Evil cat.
Okay, well, my bad for letting the door open, but it looks to me like we got packages right here. This one, this bottom one, I don't even know if you can see it, but it's a fireplace. I'm gonna leave that for my parents to get because it's like way too heavy. So, I'm gonna get this other one. Then we're just gonna see what I got. Okay, so we're right here, got the package, and today we're gonna open it. So I don't know what this is. I just got it open though. Then we are going to see what it is. Okay, so the first thing,
It's a paper.
alright, so the first thing we have, I'm gonna read it to you. You've accomplished something very few YouTubers get. Not really. But it's really hard to reach 100 subscribers? One of our employees said his little brother said that his aunt's dad's dog's owners said that he had a YouTube channel, but took him 2 years to get 100 subscribers. And all of your YouTube video URLs. That's cool, but I feel like I have more YouTube videos than that. Congratulations. Sincerely, that thing. Oh, Susan, CEO of, yeah. Guys, that's really cool. But now, we're going to see what's actually, like, in the box. Alright. So, we got, we have, oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at that. Wow. Look at that play button. That's so cool. It's like Legos. Dude, that's dope. YouTube, The Builder Guys. Congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers. Wait, what? Did we surpass 100 subscribers? Simeon.
I think so. I'm not sure though.
Whoa. Alright guys, so I just checked. We have like 113 subscribers. That is actually insane. And I love how they customized this for me. This looks really nice. I mean, like, this says the name. It says our name. Just look. The Builder Guys. Oh. I hope they didn't spell that wrong like they spelled their own name, YouTube, wrong. Alright, what's up guys? It's Malachi right now. Simeon left like a really long time ago. It's night right now. Kinda tired. Although I I just had caffeine, so I should be like, yeah, of course. YouTube didn't send me that. I mean, that would be crazy. I'm not popular enough. I checked and I don't actually have 100 subscribers now. Like, someone just subscribed to me with like 20 channels and then they're gone. Like 20. It's kind of sad. I still need those subscribers. Real bad. So where I'm going with this is that YouTube did not actually send me anything. I made it. As you have seen from the first part, I didn't get some of it. I made some of that a while ago, and I just couldn't find it on my SD cards. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.